Top benefits of ashwagandha, KSM-66. Ashwagandha is actually an evergreen shrub found in India, Africa, and in the Middle East area. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb, and it has adaptive genetic properties in it. Ashwagandha is and has been tested even right now, on people, and it has proven that the benefits are very beneficial. So let's get into it. The first great benefit of ashwagandha KSM66 is it reduces stress and anxiety. It is clinically proven to lower cortisol levels, which is the stress hormone. Restore mental well-being, reduces symptoms of depression. Okay, number 2, enhances strength and muscle mass. Boost endurance and muscle recovery, aids in increasing muscle size and strength when combined with resistant training. And 3, improves cognitive function, supports memory, focus, and mental clarity, helps to reduce mental fatigue, and promotes a sharper thinking. Number 4, boost testosterone and libido, shown to naturally increase testosterone levels in men, enhances sexual performance and productivity health in men and women. Number 5, supports energy and stamina, balances adrenal function to combat fatigue, improves overall vitality and energy levels. Number 6, promotes better sleep, encourages restful deep sleep without causing drowsiness the next day. Number 7, enhances immune functions, acts as an adaptogen to help the body resist stress-related illnesses, may support immune response and reduce inflammation. Number 8 is the last one I'm going to go over. Regulates blood sugar and cholesterol, may help stabilize blood sugar levels, supports healthy lipid profiles. Now, ashwagandha with KSM66 is what I take. And it's by Goli, the America's Choice. Right here, you can look it up online. Goli is the #1 go-to for people when it comes to ashwagandha with KSM66. Why? Because it is a well-balanced gummy. This gummy is well-balanced, and you take 2 a day and you're on your way. And I tell you, since I've been taking it, it has helped every last one of these items on this page for me. So if you're looking for a great product, then look no further. Ashwagandha with KSM66. All right. I left the link up in the bio for you to give it a try, or you can find it down in the description. So thanks for allowing me to share. Richie Rowe, we are out of here.